People have said that iPads can be used as laptop replacements. Reason one why it isn't good is the monitor is too small on an iPad. Nice 10-inch screen isn't much real estate to see and type things. But number two is the keyboard. Most keyboards are very small, and you can see my hand. One hand is already like this. If I have two hands, I'm always typing some weird arrangement, whereas if I had a nice size keyboard, wouldn't have this issue. And well, the final thing that I'll mention is getting mouse support on your iPad, which is going to act as a computer. It's possible. They have trackpads and stuff now if you turn on accessibility mode. But that's the other reason that makes this not the most convenient laptop replacement. I'll continue more another day about what other things I find difficult, besides there's no USB attachment and you have to always use cloud computing or the cloud to save things.